Oh, goodness. That's a good-looking hit.
This one chipped downtown. Oh, one bounce for four. So back-to-back boundaries. Now this will go through the covers. It's a beautiful stroke and a lot of footwork.
Short, slower delivery and picked up. This will be another boundary.
This will take some effort from the fielder.
He loves the switch hit and plays it well. Will that be another boundary? Yes, it will be.
Width and pumped. Oh, little skimmer, but half a metre short of six.
Full toss. That might not go all the way. Oh, yes, it does.
Hulla, six more! Oh, brilliant. A little ramp stroke for a maximum.
Oh, goodness. That's a good-looking hit. And it's 6.